What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be looking at this CERAKOTE headlight restoration kit. I'll be using it on my 2008 Jeep Wrangler. As you can tell, the headlights are looking pretty yellow and pretty grody. And after using this kit, hopefully they are going to be nice and clean and clear, and all the light's going to be able to come through and light up the road. Let's go ahead and pop this box open and see what's inside. All right, so let's see what we got here. We got 8 step 1 oxidized removers. Guess 4 for each headlight. I'm gonna assume some instructions, some gloves, sanding applicator, and looks like some sandpaper. Looks like 2 different kinds. And step 3, which is ceramic clear coating. All right. Clean off the headlight. Let's use some glass cleaner. I don't know what's in this stuff, but it says rub it on the headlight. It should take some of the yellow off. Look at that, it's looking pretty clean so far. Check that out. This is just one of these little packets, and it just ate the yellow right off of the lens. I mean, look at this. Look at that. That is just crazy. It says to use all 4, but I guess my situation isn't that bad with this headlight. They're so small. I think I'm only gonna use 1. So, but look, it's super duper clear. The sandpaper, and it says to use red first and then gray. So plenty of water. And what we want to do is just try not to sand the Jeep. Sand as much of this junk off. I guess if your headlights are really damaged, this is gonna pull off a little layer of garbage. Gray pad. So if you look, this is 2000 grit sandpaper. And this one is 3000 grit. So it says to do this for like 2 minutes. Nice and hazy. Well, back on. Step 3 is the ceramic coating. Okay, so there's only 2 of these. And open this up. And you rub this on the cloudy headlight. This is the clear coat protector. This stuff right here. Look at this, how clear this is coming out. Wow. You know, honestly, I think that if I'm fast enough, I bet I can, everything I just used, I bet I could use on this headlight too, and I'll be able to do this on 2 cars. I think I'm gonna try to save this. Use it on the other headlight. All right, so check that out. Look how clear that is, dang. All right, so here we go. This is right after ceramic coating. It's still a little wet. And here is the other one. All cloudy and crap. Man. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and do this one real fast. Just how fast I can do this one. Check out the headlights now. They're nice and dry. This is the finish. They look fantastic. Like wow. All right, so the results look great. Headlights look pretty darn good. It's pretty amazing on how fast this kit worked. From that first step, I kind of wanted to stop, but I'm kind of glad I kept going. And yeah, the headlights are totally clear now. Like, these headlights weren't that bad. But if you have like some super duper bad headlights, they give you enough product to really take care of it, which is pretty cool. It's cool that I have some extra left over, so I can go outside and try to do it on my truck. But yeah, the kit was like 20 bucks. I got it on Amazon. It's definitely worth the money. If you'd like to get a kit too, I'll leave a link down below. And yeah, if you like the video, hit the thumbs up. Want to see more? Subscribe. You guys take care, be safe. Have a great weekend. Later. Later.